The reason me and my business partner decided to start Dirti Ducts is we saw a need that consumers here in the Valley had for proper indoor air quality. He had the same dreams and goals that I did of helping people out, and he saw my passion in it, and I think it resonated over to him.
Dirti Ducts is an indoor air quality company that focuses on HVAC duct and dryer vent cleaning.
My end game goal is to provide not just a service, but even knowledge to consumers of what good quality air duct cleaning can give them. The articles that we put out, that we repost, things like that, that's going to people all over, not just Arizona, not just the United States, but throughout the world.
It's about doing the right thing by our community, by our friends, our family, and strangers. We are people, never mind the business, we're people that care.
All of these efforts are leading to us getting bigger and letting the world know what good indoor air quality is and how to achieve that.
What I admire most about Better Business Bureau is its longevity and its continued efforts at maintaining quality.
Everybody knows who the Better Business Bureau is. So not only being part of the Better Business Bureau, but wanting to shine with the Better Business Bureau is why we decided to get the accreditation.
What I think it takes to be an accredited business is genuinely wanting to do well by people. I mean, just help people. That has always been who we are. I guess I just kind of figured if you carry that over into a business, how can you fail? And so far it's working out pretty well.